This is why you need Ted's Woodworking in your life. It's more than just a hobby. It might just be your next fitness routine. Ted's Woodworking is packed with an amazing collection of woodworking plans that can inspire anyone. But here's the twist. Working on these projects can actually help you stay active and fit. Imagine this. Instead of hitting the gym, you're building a beautiful coffee table. The physical activity involved in measuring, cutting, and assembling can burn calories and tone muscles. And guess what? Real people have seen real results. Folks who blended woodworking with their fitness goals have shared remarkable transformations. So, how can you get started? Incorporate simple woodworking exercises and stretches into your routine. And with Ted's Woodworking's high-quality plans, staying motivated is a breeze. Ready to explore more? Check out the link below and see how Ted's Woodworking can transform your fitness journey. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.